In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Bitwarden vault on iPhone. If you want a secure backup of your passwords or need to move your data to another service, exporting your Bitwarden vault is a straightforward process on iPhone. I'll walk you through each screen, explain what each choice means, and share a few practical safety tips along the way. Start by opening the Bitwarden app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed in and your vault is unlocked. From the main screen, look to the bottom of the app and tap Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage your account and vault preferences. Next, tap Vault. Inside the Vault section, you'll see options related to your stored items. Find and tap Export Vault. Exporting creates a copy of all your saved logins, secure notes, and other items. Remember, this file is sensitive because it contains your data in a readable format, so you'll want to handle it carefully. You'll now choose where the export goes. If you select Export to a file, Bitwarden will use the Files app so you can save to iCloud Drive, on my iPhone, or a connected storage provider. This is a good choice if you want a local backup you can control. If you select Export to another app, the iOS share sheet opens, letting you send the file directly to a trusted app, such as a secure cloud storage app you already use. Only share the file to locations and apps you fully trust. Next, choose the export format, either JSON or CSV. JSON is a structured format that preserves details and is commonly used for importing back into password managers or for technical workflows. CSV is a simple, spreadsheet-friendly format that's easy to open in apps like Excel or Numbers, though some item details may be simplified. Both formats can contain your passwords and other sensitive fields in plain text, so choose the one that fits your needs and plan to store it securely. To proceed, enter your master password. This step confirms it's really you making the export and protects your data from unauthorized access. Type your master password carefully. Finally, tap Export to generate the file. Depending on your earlier choice, either pick a save location in Files or select the destination app from the share sheet. Give the process a moment to complete, and you're done. As a best practice, store the exported file in a secure, private location. Consider encrypting it with a separate tool if you keep it long-term, and delete any unneeded copies from your device. That's how you export your Bitwarden vault on iPhone safely and confidently.